Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell. Why you're laughing? And today I'm going to show you how to make Italian lasagna, but the vegan version as usual. Let's see how they're done. First thing that you will have to do, even if you have pre-cooked lasagna, and I always do this because I don't like to get the lasagna out from the oven and have it crunchy, is to dip them inside boiling water and just drop inside 1 tablespoon of oil so they're not going to stick together. And when the water is boiling, you can start to drop them inside for 10-15 seconds, no more than that. Get them out from the pan and put them on a clean towel. Okay, the first thing you want to do to make the vegan bechamel is to put all the milk, so the whole liter, inside a pan. Add a bit of nutmeg. Switch on under the milk on a low-medium flame and bring it almost to boil. Just to keep on stirring. While you wait for the milk to get hot, you can start to melt your margarine inside another pan. So just switch on a low flame. Once the margarine is melted, you can start to add flour and keep on stirring while you add the flour. What you're gonna get now is gonna be a quite dry thing called roux, and this is the base for the bechamel. Mix it all together and you should get a roux brown color. And then, while you keep on mixing, you can get hold of your hot milk and add step by step a bit of milk inside. Add like a ladle, keep on stirring. Then add a little bit more. Keep on going on. Okay, basically when is everything well mixed, you add step by step the rest of the milk. You see how creamy is becoming now. Now that you have all the milk and all the roux inside, you can just keep on stirring for 3-4 minutes. You can add a bit of salt, as much as you like. I will go for about 2-3 teaspoons of salt and black pepper. This is a beautiful bechamel. Just keep the low flame under the bechamel. You should get this kind of result. Very, very, very creamy. Okay, before putting together your lasagna, just switch on your oven at 200 degrees. Okay, we usually use this kind of container. First thing that you will have to do is to put on the bottom a bit of ragu and a lot of bechamel. If you want to make it easier for you, just mix them together before. And once you have this layer at the bottom, you can start to put your lasagna sheet on it. And the point is to keep on going on and on like this. So bechamel, and then the ragu. One thing that I will add, that you don't have to add it, but I love to add it, is a bit of my grated mozzarella cheese, vegan mozzarella of course, and you can find the recipe at the top of the screen. This is gonna melt inside and it's gonna be delicious. There we go, and just keep on going on until you reach the top. Okay, this is the last layer, so you can put again bechamel and ragu. Just be very generous on the top. And if you would like, you can put a bit of vegan cheese on the top too. And the lasagna is ready. Now you can, if your oven, oh my god, it weighs so much, I think it's a couple of kilos at least. Place them inside and leave them to cook for 20 minutes. Maybe turn them in the middle of the cooking. So after 10 minutes, just turn them on the other side. So they're gonna cook well. Now 20 minutes have passed and this is the final result. And now we're gonna cut it. Before eating this, just leave it to cool down for 5-10 minutes, because otherwise you're gonna burn your mouth. And that's it. If you prefer it a bit more crunchy on the top, just leave it to cook for 10 minutes more. Just always keep an eye so that it's not gonna burn completely. Did you really fart? I will put this in the video, you know. I will put this in the video.
It's the tense position.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.